Lying on the banks of Cochin backwaters, Marine Drive is a bustling spot at the heart of Kochi city. People meet up at the promenade to share their sorrow and happiness amid Chinese fishing nets, rainbow bridge, backwaters, and ships. This gorgeous venue on Marine Drive is home to the 5th race of the Champions Boat League Season 2. Water Kings from Kuttanad have completed another exciting water battle by overcoming the sea breeze and the current in the Cochin waters. The 5th race of the CBL awakened Kochi to the magic of boating. Pallathuruthy boat races were the first to line up on the tracks of the Marine Drive, filled with the tunes of boat songs and cheers. Hanuman, Taniyan and Tirthipuram were the 3 teams qualified for the finals after the heats. There are 9 snake boats competing in the CBL. In the history of boat games, the teams and the clubs have been fighting head-to-head on the backwaters of Kuttanad for decades. The champions now met in Cochin backwaters on 3 tracks of 1 kilometer length. Tropical Titans Mahadevikad, Mighty Oars Nirbangam, Ripple Breakers Viyapuram, Pride Chasers Payippad, Raging Rovers Chambakulam, Coast Dominators Karichar, and Thunder Oars Ayaparambu show their valor in Kochi as well. Earlier, Water Resources Minister Mr. Roshi Augustin inaugurated the boat race and said irrigation tourism will be boosted. The music band of the Naval Force performed to cheer up the crowd. The competitions started with the mass drill of snake boats. The Navy team entertained the crowd with their water bikes and jet skis.
From Indian Navy Watermanship Training Center at Naval Base, Kochi.
Percussion ensemble and staging of other art forms created a colorful spectacle for the cheering crowd. Actors Jay Surya and Mia were the celebrity presence in the land of the tinsel town. Races in Irtukuthi, Chundan and losers categories saw the fighting strength of the rowing teams. Before the Battle of the Snake Boats, the finals of the small boats took place. Thaniyan, Hanuman and Thirutipuram had a close fight. Finally, the victory came for the Thaniyan team, sponsored by Cochin Shipyard. Finally, it was the title battle of the snake boats. Payippad, Mahadevikad Kattil Thekkethil and Payippad are pitched against each other. Halfway from the starting point, the tide of the race changed. The Mahadevikad team surged ahead, leaving behind the opponents by a huge margin. Pallathuruthy Boat Club's tropical titans thus retained the top spot in the points table. Vembanad Boat Club's Payippad Pride Chasers came second, and the KBC's Payippad Thunder Oars came third in the fifth match of the CBL. The action now shifts to Kottapuram in Thrissur for the next race of the season. With 7 more races in the CBL 2, there is plenty more to wait for.